the fuck? Bro, she's a spawn. Dude, spawned. Bro, we scared the NPC. No, dude, fucking. That was so weird, though. Like, she just fucking started running, bro. Like, I think she's cheating on her husband. Like, that's why she said maybe, and she was, like, undercover. And she's like, her
Still taking over that she called you a fudge packer.
I don't even know what that means.
She called you gay. She said
Oh.
she's not your type. At least she didn't reject you. She said that she's not your type.
What's over here? Dude, where are we, dude? I feel like some security guard's gonna fucking come out, shoot us, bro. Okay.
It says exit.
Oh, emergency exit only. Fuck. Let's just get out of here, dude. Oh, shit. Now we're running. We're the NPCs now. Keep it cool, keep it cool.
We're good.
God. Let's not set alarms off at City Hall, bro.
I'm actually gonna think we're stalking her because we're going the same way.
Bro.
Is that him? Oh, no, that's it.
You know, that I forgot to close the door, so it's gonna just keep going off. Oh, God.
It's that exit. It was an emergency.
I didn't see that.
We were fleeing. Yeah, we really are fleeing.
I mean, honestly, we should. We are fleeing.
Maybe we
Right?
went in here.
Man, I swear to God, he went into that fucking City Hall. Okay, chat. That's fine. Someone's eventually gonna. I feel like it's security guards.